Hey everybody, friendly neighborhood Saskatchewan guy, Ironman 3406 here. If this is your first time tuning to the channel, my name's Nathan. I have got kind of a cool little, really quick facility walkthrough here for you at the Earthmoving Legacy Center in Elkader, Iowa. So this is a view from upstairs in their foyer. This place is super cool if you're into antique Caterpillar stuff. So yeah, give you a quick little tour down there. I don't want to go into anything in too great a detail because, well, I want you to come here and check it out for yourself. So I'll give you a quick walk through the stuff that's down there, and yeah, you guys can put it on your bucket list to come check it out. Okay, everybody. Pretty special piece here from the Earthmoving Legacy Center. This is a Caterpillar Diesel 75. Pretty rare tractor. I just want to give you guys a walk around on it. They've done a really beautiful job on this restoration, and just wanted to share it with you all. So we'll kind of go around it here and show you what's what. So start at the grill. or the radiator. Got the diesel 75 badging up top. Caterpillar down the side tanks. Nice chrome radiator cap. Move into the engine. All brand new brass tags on the pre-cleaner that they had made. Same thing for the air cleaner on the starting engine. Nice chrome top on it. Starting engine's right here. Correct and proper Eisman magneto. Again, some nice little chrome bits on the engine oil, dipstick and fill, brass nuts and brass breather for the manifold on the pony motor. Also have brass nuts to mount the intake and exhaust manifolds. Chrome stack, beautiful, beautiful paint. So this tractor will be on display in the Earthmoving Legacy Center in Elkader, Iowa, and it's part of the evolution of the D8 story that they're trying to tell here. So decompression valve, pony motor fuel tank, chromed, looks nice and shiny, operator platform, so chrome handles on everything to set the machine off. Really nice, since it's going to be living in the Legacy Center here. Interesting story that I heard is these foot plates. They have this like diamond grip in them that was correct and proper to these tractors, but they had to get these all milled to get that pattern in it to make it authentic and proper and true. Recovered seat, brand new fenders. They had the fenders all remade from scratch. Same with the fuel tank on the back. This is all brand new, handmade. Welds all were ground smooth. The tank just looks beautiful. Again, nice chrome fuel tank cap. The serial number on this 75, the tag's not here, but it's still stamped in. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not, but it's a 2E46. I'll post there's a little box, information box. I can't remember off the top of my head how many diesel 75s were built, but I'll post that in there so you guys can see it. Drawbar on the back. Again, everything made to look brand new. No detail was missed on this machine. Even brass fittings on the fuel tank. Keep going around. Another look at the operator station, where that diamond checker plated, if you want to call it, foot panel is. Chrome gear selector, slide bar style shifter. Another look at the pony motor fuel tank, and then the other side of the engine. Chromed pushrod tubes, chromed air breather, breather and oil fill. And then the undercarriage on this tractor as well, basically like brand new. When they're doing the restoration, they found a set of new old stock sprockets. The pads were cast, brand new. So those are brand new track pads on this machine. So these track pads, they're unique on the diesel 75 in the sense that they're mounted without nuts. The bolts thread into the rails, so you can see that here. That's a unique feature. You can also see Caterpillar written here on the rails. So these are authentic chain rails. Everything's like brand new. Well, it is brand new. This is as brand new of a diesel 75 as you're ever going to see. All these bolts, you'll see them all over the machine as I'm doing the walk around here. They have the C-EU cast into them. All these bolts were made from scratch for this restoration, so that they have the correct and proper numbers cast into the bolts. So that's where you see all these fresh bolts everywhere. Those were all made from scratch, from new, for this tractor restoration. If we get underneath and have a look here, you'll see too, there is no detail missed on the way that they do these restorations here at the Legacy Center. The Earthmoving Legacy Center, pardon me. Just absolutely beautiful, beautiful work. This Diesel 75 would never have looked quite this pretty when it came off the factory line, but to tell the story of the D8, and because it's in a museum, it gets a little extra treatment to keep everybody entertained and enjoying how things look when they're going through the museum. So anyway, I just wanted to share this restoration that's in works. It's gonna be probably first start, they were saying, in about a week. So this will be shortly making its way into the museum. Behind it, they're working on a Diesel 70. That'll also go in the lineup to showcase the story or the evolution of the D8 all the way from the 60 diesel conversion up to the RD8, and I can give you guys a really quick little look at that at the museum, just to show you how they've got that set up for the evolution of the Caterpillar D8. Okay, so as I said, that Diesel 75 in the workshop is part of the evolution of the RD8, and in the museum, or in the Legacy Center, that starts right here with the Caterpillar 60 diesel conversion. So this was a kit offered through Caterpillar to convert your gas 60 into a diesel 60. And then stage 2 is the 65, or part 2 is the 65 gas with their nice styled hood. Again, this went through the same quality restoration in the workshop as the Diesel 75 is getting right now. After that, we've got the Diesel 65. And then after the Diesel 65, you have the 70 gas. Now this big spot in the open floor is where the Diesel 70 will go. And then there's a Diesel 75 in here right now, but the one that's in the workshop will replace this one and fill its spot. And then after the Diesel 75, the RD8 is born. And the D8 is still a current model in the Caterpillar tractor line. So technically, if you want to be, you know, legit or talking legit, the D8's been part of the Caterpillar line since the Cat 60. So I forgot to mention one thing when we were doing the walk around. This tractor will go for paint one more time yet. I know it's hard to believe, but like all these bolts, some of the stuff that's still in primer, this machine will, before it goes to the floor in the Legacy Center, it will go for one more complete paint job before it is considered done. So they're getting really, really close. This tractor is just about complete. So. And just real quick, there is also another pretty unique restoration happening here. This is a gas model number 12 motor grader that is in the works. Pretty rare option to have the gas engine in a number 12, and just so you know, I'm not lying to you, this is the gas 6-cylinder that would normally be a 6-cylinder diesel in the back. So This will have a correct, proper, and true gasoline powered number 12 motor grader. And this gets the exact same treatment as everything. Everything comes apart down to the last bolt. They go through it. Everything gets painted and gone through. Perfect mechanical as well as cosmetic restoration. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little walk around. I just really wanted to showcase the quality of work that they do here at the museum, or at the Legacy Center, pardon me. It's a museum, but it's called the Earthmoving Legacy Center in Elkader, Iowa. Again, if anybody wants to put it on their bucket list, I strongly recommend it. It is a very cool place to visit. They do really nice work here. So if you want to see this tractor, get yourself a plane ticket, get yourself in the motorhome, do whatever you got to do. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the quick little walkthrough here at the Earthmoving Legacy Center in Elkader, Iowa. I really encourage you to come check this place out. It's really cool. If you're into antique earthmoving equipment and the history of Caterpillar, I'll drop a bunch of links where to find this place, their website, all that kind of stuff in the description below. But I am going to sign off. Again, this was just a really quick walkthrough of the facility here. I don't want to go into much detail because I want you to come check it out. So I'm going to sign off. Don't forget, I am Iron Man. I'll catch you guys on the next one.